Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm shooting this opener the day after I actually shot this video. This video was a collaboration with my friend Chris over at Get Out and Grill, where we were both using products from Matador Meats. I found out after I shot the video that unfortunately Matador Meats is no longer in existence. And it's really unfortunate because I really like Matt, I really like their products. But like a lot of small businesses, I think they hit a point where it was difficult for them to keep going. I want to wish Matt the best. I want to thank him for all the support he's given our channel and how nice he was to my family when we were down in Dallas this past spring. Matt, thank you very much. Good luck in all your future endeavors. And if you ever need anything, I know myself and a lot of creators will be there to help you. The reason why I decided to cover this in this video was just to remind everyone to be aware of how important it is to support small and local businesses throughout the country. Please be aware and support small business, support local business when you can. I'm going to leave this opening with my favorite meme that I've ever read in regards to small business. Enjoy. Hey everybody, welcome back to Everyday Barbecue. My name is Mike, and today I've got some beautiful bone-in ribeyes sent to me from Matador Meats. This is part of a collaboration with my friend Chris at Get Out and Grill. We're going to cook these up, we're going to do a reverse sear out on the SNS Kamado, and we're going to do it right now. Now, as I mentioned, this video is part of a collaboration with my friend Chris at Get Out and Grill. Chris has got a really cool channel, does lots of awesome cooks. I want to put a link in the iCard up here so you can check out his channel and down below in the description. Please go by there, show him some love, hit that subscribe button, and let him know that his friend Mike sent you by. Meanwhile, we're going to go ahead and get these steaks seasoned up. A few weeks back, this company, Sweet Smokie Joe, reached out to me to send some of their seasonings out. I've used them, I like them a lot. Once I hit that point where I know I like the product, I'm willing to share it with you guys. So this is their beef and pork rub. This stuff is absolutely delicious, and this is what I'm gonna be using on these steaks today. So we're gonna start by getting these things seasoned up. All right, that's it. These are ready to go. We're gonna let these hang out here on the counter for about 20 to 30 minutes while we wait for the Kamado to come up to temperature. So now that these are ready, I'll meet you guys outside. All right, the Kamado's up to temp. Let's show you how we're gonna do this. Now your normal grate height is up here. I have the drip and griddle down here with the roasting grate, and this is where I'm gonna be putting the steaks. So let's get these on. Having them down here is gonna help us cook those at a little bit lower temperature. Let's go ahead and get a probe in each one of these. And let's add a little bit of wood. Let's get some color and some flavor on these steaks. All right, we're smoking, we're cooking. I'll bring you back as soon as we're ready to check on these. It's been about a half hour now. These are both between 85 and 90 degrees. I want to flip these and rotate them. All right, these are flipped and rotated. And we're just going to close that up. I'm going to ride these up to about 110 to 115. Then it's going to be time to prepare these for the sear. All right, these have both hit about 110, 112. I'm going to go ahead and pull this. All right, it's time to prep these steaks for the sear. Meanwhile, I'm gonna crank these vents wide open. Let those coals get nice and hot. Let's get these ready to sear. Sorry if there's any background noise. We've got a beautiful fall day here today, and there's a lot of kids outside playing. What I want to do here is I just want to basically pat these dry. We don't want to take too much of the seasoning off, so I'm going to go real easy on that. Got our pepper ready. Now we're just going to hit this with some olive oil. And even though my Sweet Smoky Joe has some black pepper in it, I'm going to add a little bit more to the top because I just love the way it reacts with the sear. Okay, I've got 3 more sides to do. Alright, now for this process, you're going to need an Insta-read thermometer, so make sure you have one of these handy. Let's open up the Kamado. Get our grate on. You want to get these on immediately. You don't want that grate to heat up before you put this on. Alright, we have given this a minute. I'm going to spin this grate. Get these steaks right back here on the cold side now. I'm going to let these go for another minute. Alright, now we're going to spin this again. And I want to temp these. This one here is good to go. Sitting right about 128. I'm going to give this one more turn. This one's good to go too. Alright, so the most important part now, we're going to take these inside, we're going to let them rest for about 10 minutes. Then we're going to cut this open, we're going to see if I nailed this. Alright, these have been resting about 10 minutes. It smells absolutely glorious in my kitchen. I know I say that all the time. Before we cut these open, I've got a little bit of my garlic butter that I like to use for steak if I'm really trying to go high class. So this is just some melted butter with some garlic powder, a little bit of parsley, and I'm just going to drench this down here, let that soak in for about a minute or two before we cut this. It's just going to add another layer of flavor to what I already know is going to be unbelievably good steaks. Alright, I'm going to cut this one open. I'm going to go ahead and move this one out of the way. That'll be for my kids. And let's just start by separating this from the bone. And let's make some slices. Let's see how we did. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful medium rare, wall-to-wall red. Let's get a little Salt Bay action going on. Spread this out. This is beautiful. I got to take a picture here. The smell is absolutely delicious. It's time for a taste test. There we go. Let me just go ahead and take any one of these. Look at this. Perfectly cooked. I nailed it. All right, let's get a bite. Just look how juicy that is. Cheers, everybody. Oh my God, man. Holy cow, that's good. This is what we want here, is just wall-to-wall red. I gotta eat more. My wife and kids are here around me drooling. They can't wait to get into this steak. So I'm going to let you guys go. Please check out Chris's channel over at Get Out and Grill. I want to thank you guys for joining me today. Till next time, I'll see you on the next episode.